Is it possible to pay off my mortgage in a year? £200,000 is the target. Could you offer solutions? I've earned an extra £10,000 this year from freelance, so I'm building the nest egg. And I've contemplated purchasing your II top and bottom. Oh, that's good. Well, we just talked about that today. So first of all, very, 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 very important. And, I've done lots of real estate videos and the importance of having debt and not paying it off, but having it locked in at low interest rates. And all of those who followed me in 2021 were able to refinance at 3% or less. I did 3 massive 7-digit refis in late 2021. Big thank you to my bank for doing that as well. But this is a key part. And I'm going to break this down into what I think we all should know. With my personal take, not financial advice. Ultimately, it's your personal decision. But literally, I do advise against paying off a mortgage because interest rates are generally lower than other types of debt, such as credit card or personal loan debt. And if you pay off a mortgage early, you may miss out on other opportunities to invest that money in a higher return investment, such as the stock market or retirement account. Give an example. So, what was it? 2019, I bought a ton of Tesla call options, leaps, and I could have used that cash to pay down my mortgage. My mortgage is a very low rate, like 3% or 3.5%. And imagine you save a couple of piddly dollars a month by paying down your mortgage, but putting that same money into a leap option for Tesla exploded. Okay, the return on those options was ridiculous, but it's just one example of how sometimes it's important to be in the market. Invest money in higher return investments, such as stock market or crypto or whatever. Now, another reason it's good to not pay off a mortgage is there can be tax advantages. A mortgage interest is tax deductible in many places. I'm not sure about your jurisdiction, which means individuals who pay mortgage interest can deduct the interest payments from their taxable income, potentially reducing their tax liability. And by paying off a mortgage early, you may lose out on this tax benefit. So that's kind of key. But the most important thing about having money at a low financing rate is this. And welcome, Saifuddin Amus. He talks about this, the cost of fiat. So annually, fiat experiences a dilution of 14% globally. Global money supply, 100 trillion. Double wealth, 400 trillion. Quarter of all wealth is in fiat, and it's melting away. Every year, humanity loses 3.5% of global wealth, and that's 14 trillion, which is about $2,000 per person lost to finance government parasites, wars, monopoly banksters, etc. That is why you want somebody else to hold your melting ice cube, not you. Your real estate will go up. The amount that you owe will shrink over time in purchasing power. That is the key lesson here for everybody to take away.